Ananya's first day in college was full of excitement and nervousness. She wore blue jeans, a short white kurta, her hair neatly tied, and her round glasses sat perfectly on her nose. She was looking for her class when a group of seniors blocked her way. "Hey, fresher, sing a song for us," one of them teased. Before she could reply, a voice came from behind, calm but firm. "Enough." She turned and saw Arav, tall, confident, and clearly respected by everyone. "She is with me," he told the seniors. They moved aside immediately. "Don't be scared," he said to her. "You look too innocent for this crowd. What is your name?" She replied, "Ananya." From that day, Arav started talking to her often. At first, Ananya thought he was just being friendly, but later she realized he also came to her whenever he needed help with assignments. He would smile and say, "You write better than anyone else, and you never say no, Ananya." She didn't mind because she liked spending time with him. Soon, everyone in college knew she was Arav's friend, and no one dared to trouble her. After a few months, rumors began to spread. "Ananya is Arav's girlfriend." People whispered, "Really? She doesn't even match his style," others said. Even Arav's friends teased him about his different choice. Then one day, a new girl joined the college. Her name was Ria. She was stylish, confident, and spoke to everyone easily. For the first time, Ananya saw Arav looking at someone in a special way. Slowly, he started becoming friends with Ria. Ananya felt a strange discomfort in her chest whenever she saw them together. She didn't want to admit it, but she was jealous. She had started liking Arav without even realizing it. She thought maybe he would one day see her as more than a friend. But one afternoon, as she was passing by the canteen, she heard Ria asking Arav, "Is Ananya your girlfriend?" Arav laughed and said, "Her? No way. She is not my type." Ria giggled. "Yeah, I guessed. You like confident, smart girls, right?" "Exactly," Arav replied. Ananya froze. The words hurt more than she expected. That was the moment she understood. Arav was not her love. He was someone who judged by appearances, not by inner beauty. Still, she couldn't stop caring for him. A few weeks later, Arav got into trouble. His event project for the college fest was falling apart at the last minute because his team had quit. He asked Ria for help, but she smiled and said she was too busy shopping for the fest. Arav looked frustrated and alone. Ananya, watching from a distance quietly, stepped forward. "Tell me what needs to be done," she said. "You don't have to," Arav began. "I want to," she interrupted. She stayed up late with him for 2 nights, helping him rebuild the project and finish the work. Arav didn't say much, but she noticed the way his eyes softened when he looked at her. When the cultural fest finally arrived, Ananya decided to take part in the drama competition. She wrote a play about a simple girl whose love is ignored by the hero, who chooses a glamorous girl instead. She asked Arav to play the hero and Ria to play the glamorous girl. Another role, the friend who truly loves the simple girl, was given to Krisav, a quiet student from second year. During rehearsals, Arav and Ananya had many close scenes. One day, when Arav looked into her eyes, During a scene, he felt something strange in his heart, but he quickly told himself she was not his type. Meanwhile, Krishav started talking to Ananya more, helping her and making her laugh. They became good friends outside of practice. Arav noticed this and didn't like it. One evening, he saw them having coffee together and laughing. His jaw tightened, and later he warned Krishav, stay focused on the play. Krishav smiled and asked, why? Afraid you will lose her? Arav didn't reply, but the question stayed in his mind. Over time, Arav realized he looked for Ananya in the crowd. He remembered how she had stood by him when he was struggling and how Ria had walked away. One day he heard Ria making fun of Ananya in front of others, calling her boring and stupid. Arav stepped forward and said sharply, enough, Ria, don't do this. Don't talk about her like that. That night, he finally admitted to himself that he loved Ananya. The day of the fest came. The auditorium was full. The play started as planned. Arav's hero ignored Ananya's simple girl and chose Ria's glamorous character. In the final scene, according to the script, Krishab's character was supposed to confess his love to Ananya's character, but Arav changed the ending. In front of the whole audience, he stepped forward, took Ananya's hands, and said, I was blind. I thought love was about looks and style, but it's about the way someone makes your world brighter just by being there. And you, Ananya, are my world. The hall was silent for a moment, and then everyone clapped. Ananya's eyes filled with tears, but this time they were tears of happiness. Krishav smiled quietly, accepting that sometimes love changes its own ending. Thank you for listening. Please